Do you dream of having long, beautiful lashes? Then let me introduce you to Sky High Lashes by Khaleesi. Sky High Lashes is an all-natural eyelash growth serum designed to transform your thin, brittle lashes into longer, thicker lashes in just weeks. This all-natural formula won't harm or irritate your eyes like a lot of other growth serums that contain hormones or chemicals. It's also super easy to use. Just one quick sweep across your eyelash base every night before bed, and you're done. It also works on lower lashes and even eyebrows. Within weeks, people will notice a more youthful, vibrant you. So if you're tired of having thin, brittle lashes or having to run out the door without enough time for makeup, then discover the secret to longer, thicker lashes with this unique formula and feel like a goddess day and night without any effort. Along with this amazing growth serum, you'll also receive a free set of glamorous false eyelashes to use for that special night out until Sky High works its magic. Also, we offer each and every customer our rapid results guarantee. If you've not noticed a difference in length and strength of your lashes within 30 days of constant use, we will fully refund you. So ladies, how can you go wrong? Try Khaleesi's new Sky High Lash Serum now and prepare to watch your lashes grow. Click the link and check it out. www.khaleesicosmetics.com